Alright, so this is the after. I didn't take any videos of the before, but it's just basically a stock Jeep. This one is a 2021. It's the 80th anniversary edition, and really the difference with this is it has the same color fenders. This has a hard top, and there's a few spots on the inside that are badged as 80th anniversary. So we'll start up front. It's got a new steel bumper. The lights that come with it, they're wired and everything. These came attached on there. And I'll put some links for the products that we got in the description. So, steel bumper. As you can see, there's a Rough Country 9500S winch. That was actually installed recently, but I got the one with synthetic rope. I didn't want the wire. I had wire on a previous Jeep, and there's some weight to it, and I don't like the spring back of it. Never had any big issues, but didn't care for it. So another upgrade on the 80th anniversary, it comes with the LED lights, the same color fenders, the hard top, which came stock on this. So we'll look here at the wheels and tires. These are 35 by 12.5 by 18. Oh, this one also came with upgraded wheels and tires, which were 18-inch. And I had 18-inch on my previous Jeep, so I stuck with 18-inch because I thought they looked good with the 35s. These are the General Grabber red letters. And the wheels, I just wanted black, all black, and I think I got these from Discount Tire. Vision is the name brand, but they were good price for what they were. Some of these were pretty expensive. I think these were 200 bucks a piece. So they're very reasonably priced. You can see that it's lifted. That's the Bilstein 5100. That comes with the AEV 2.5-inch lift, which is all that has. It's all the Jeep has on there, is a 2.5-inch. To me, it seems taller than I would think with a 2.5, but nothing wrong with that. We have these steel side steps. I can't pronounce that. O-E-D-R-O, Odro. Not sure, but ended up getting those off Amazon. Rear tires. You can see the Bilstein 5100s on the back as well. The front and rear bumper are matching. The vehicle did not come with a hitch. I'll have to get it wired, but I don't have any trailer to tow on it, so really no rush for that. It came with the shackles. They've been painted white, as you can see, just doing something to kind of color match. So the 35-inch tire did not fit, so I ended up opting for the Rough Country bracket that lifts it away from the vehicle 1 inch and up 2.5 inches, so you can fit the larger tire. And unfortunately, when I went to go pick up the tires a week or so ago, they only had 4 red letters, so just waiting for the 5th. That's why there's nothing on the back. I personally don't like them when there's no tire on the back. I like the look of it better. So here's the other side, just some decals that were put on. Random decals all around. There's another decal that was installed. So this one has the 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo engine. Very similar stats to the V6, the 3.6 V6 Pentastar. I think this one has maybe 15 pounds more torque, but very similar, and I wanted the gas mileage that comes with this. And before the tires, combined city highway, we were getting about 19. Taking a trip, getting about 23 to 24. I apologize for the wind. I'm out at the river right now filming this. So the interior, again, similar on most. I opted for the larger screen. I have Apple CarPlay in both my vehicles, and I'm a big proponent of it, so I wanted the larger screen. This one came with navigation. My Ram does not have navigation. I personally don't use navigation on these. It just happened to come with it because, again, Apple CarPlay does everything for me. So a few of the upgrades in here, and here's one of the badges that say 80th right here on the end. But there was a few badges around. I think the carpets, when we had the carpets in, they stated 80 as well. But I ended up getting the Rugged Ridge. These are tall. I had a previous Rugged Ridge in my last one and really liked them. These are a little more plasticky than previous. Previous it was a little more rubber, so a little more pliable. But these are still good. They're pliable a little bit, and they work well. They trap all the dirt, easy to vacuum out. So this was a nice upgrade. I think I got those from ruggedridge.com on that one. This, it kind of straddles. It's hard to show the other side, but basically there's two of these little carriers. Typically I put my cell phone in it. As you can see, the cord, and plug it in and just let my cell phone lay in there. Up top, got the cover, so we can take the T-tops off, and I'll flip the T-top in just a second. But if we take the T-tops off, this blocks a lot of the sun, but still lets the wind come in, and you leave the back on. I don't believe there's really anything back here to show you other than the Rugged Ridge. You can see it straddles here, so it's all one piece going all the way across. And if we move to the back, again, this one was upgraded with the 80th anniversary. I can only assume that all of them come with it, but here's the carpet that came with it. I don't think it's marked in any way. It comes with an Alpine, looks like a 12-inch. It's very bass heavy with the stereo. You can obviously turn it down a little bit, but just stock, everything neutral setting, it's very bass heavy. There's space underneath here. There's the controller for the winch, battery, and when we got the lift, came with this. It says it's a wheel chalk. I'm sure it can be used to help get you out of the mud, probably propping it under a tire. It also came with the Jeep bag that has, well, for the sake of not pulling everything out, it comes with a snatch rope, comes with some gloves, and the tools that are used to take the top off. So it comes with all of that. of that fits nicely under here. I say that, now it's not fitting. Either way. So that's really the upgrades. Actually, some more flags. These are just stick-on, so it's just tape that's peeled off, stuck on. Again, another Amazon purchase. It's really the only upgrades is lift, wheels and tires, bumpers, side steps. It's the look we were going after, and so far so good. Haven't had any issues. The tires are not very loud. They are louder, but not very loud, especially with the hard top. Hard top knocks a lot of the noise out. But very happy with the purchase. Drives well. Like I said, probably get about 17 miles a gallon so far with the new tires. This is a 2021 Jeep Wrangler 80th Anniversary Edition.